Good morning, OPOS stars. We'll do two more dishes now from scratch. The Semiya and Kanda Batata Poha. So the Semiya, I'll just add a bit of oil and just 1 cup of roasted Semiya. Quarter teaspoon salt. Just about cover the Semiya with water. Close. Cook it on high for a couple of whistles. Move this aside. Start on the Kanda Batata Poha preparation. You can choose to peel the potato or not. I'm not going to peel it. Just cut it into small chunks so that they cook well in less than 5 minutes. Okay. See, I'm cutting them into very thin slices. Oops. Okay, the timer is there. So the cutting time for 250 grams of any vegetable should not take you over 5 minutes. That includes the cleaning time. If it's taking you over 5 minutes, you're using a wrong technique or you're using wrong equipment. Some of you have been kind enough to send me food processor pictures, but I'm yet to discover a food processor which is less painful than a knife. If you have a sharp knife, it makes cutting ultra simple. And there is virtually nothing to clean up after. Semiya is done in under 3 minutes. I'm going to give it one more whistle. There it is. Switch it off, release the pressure, just bring it here. There you go, it's all nice and done. Let it cool and then just mix in some yogurt. Okay, let's start with this. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of oil, no water, the chopped onions, some green chilies, chopped potato. Notice that I've chopped them really small so that they cook in less than 5 minutes. That's it. Some salt, quarter teaspoon salt, and some turmeric powder. That's a hot lid. Close and cook on high for a couple of whistles. Okay. In the meantime, we need to prepare our poha. So take a colander. If you are using thin poha, you can mix it as it is. If you are using slightly thicker poha, let's say we are taking 2 cups of poha. Just wash and drain. You don't need to soak it. It's enough if you just wash and drain. So that the poha gets hydrated. It just takes maybe 3-4 minutes. That's it. So now it is washed and now it is drained. That is all you need to do. Now the hydrated poha is edible. Once we get a couple of whistles, I'll just open the cooker, mix this in, let it cook and retain heat. Now coming back to the Thai Semiya, the Semiya is done, let it cool down a bit. It's taken us just 6 minutes from scratch. Let it cool down a bit. You can mix in bottle tadka, or you can just mix in some yogurt. Pack it with a pickle and this would be a delicious lunch. Pretty easy, pretty tasty, and you can't go wrong with this. So that's one dish down and one to go. From scratch, it has taken us less than 7 minutes. If your poha is very thick, it needs to be soft before it goes inside the pot. If your poha is very thick, then it might need a bit of soaking too. Okay? Before putting it inside the pot, taste it. It should not have any hard bit. It should be completely soft. I'm getting a slightly charred smell from the onions. This is a way to scale up, because the starch is made separately, it's painless. You can prepare a large volume of onions and tomatoes in your magic pot. Just mix in a big amount of starch and it can become a meal for a small crowd almost instantly. Two whistles are up. Want to switch it off, release the pressure. Don't worry about the excess liquid. The onions have mild charring. That's good enough. It will actually add some flavor. All we have to do is mix in the poha. And Kanda Batata Poha is ready to be served. Just close it and let the flavors mingle for a few minutes, and you have everything done in under 10 minutes from scratch. Keep it closed, the flavors will nicely come together. The poha also will soak up the extra moisture and cook a bit in the retained heat. Now you can pack your lunchbox with this because it's not necessary they need to be in the same pot. The retained heat comes from the food, not from the pot. That's it. So you have two simple dishes done and dusted in 10 minutes from scratch. Lunchbox recipes. Keep it very simple, keep it painless, and the more you practice, the better you get it. Thanks a lot.